Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to be showing you where I keep all of my nail polish accessories. It's in this drawer that my sister bought for me, and I also have a video of my nail polish collection that I keep on my organizer, but the extra nail polishes that don't fit in that organizer I keep in this little box.
Prince Street, Brown Nail Lacquer, Fashion Nail, Sally Hansen Nail Growth Miracle.
This is a white nail polish like we're doing manicures, and a base coat.
Lisa Frank, Chunky Silver, Twinkly Love, Sparkle Purple, Disco Ball, Red Hot, Crackle Brown, Neon Green, Deep Violet, White Tip, Rock and Red.
This one is an olive oil nail cuticle treatment for your nails, and this is a base coat that I got from Meiji Nail Art when I purchased the set. And this one here is a black nail polish that came with my Halloween accessories.
Power Play, Purple Pizza Frost, Skin Tight Denim Cream.
This is the drawer where I keep all of my nail polish accessories, all the products I use to do my nails. This drawer my sister purchased for me. I'm not sure where she bought it from. But in the first drawer I have a couple different accessories. I have my nail art pins that are from MeijiNailArt.com. I like these a lot because they have a very fine tip where you can like draw designs onto your nails. I also have my nail accessories or stencils, or I have a dotting tool. You can also use like a bobby pin if you don't have any dotting tools. I have different accessories that I purchase in different stores. You can find these like at anywhere where they sell nail products, like at Sally Beauty Supply, Ulta, Michael's. This one here, this nail brush I bought at Sally's for $4.59. You can also find them at any store, any drugstore as well. This nail tattoo transfer paper I purchased at Walmart. I have an original video on how to do newspaper nails, which I'll leave the link in the description box below, or you can click on the video on the image that you saw right now. This is a sponge. You can do your nails with the sponge technique or the ombre nails, which I will also leave a link in the description box below, or you can click on the video that you saw. And this is a pill case, which it comes in handy. You can put a lot of nail products in here. I keep all of my little diamonds in there. This pill case, it's like for, you put your pills for every day out of the week, but I like it to put my nail products in there. And these round circles with the little diamonds and the little products, fruits and stuff, I purchased at Sally's Beauty Supply. You can also find these at the dollar store. I did purchase the one that's in the bottom, that one there. This one I purchased at the dollar store. I didn't know they had them there. I also have a video on how to do your nails with the fruits, and I will leave a link in the description box below, or you can click on the video as well. And I also have a couple flowers, and this other one with other flowers. This one I did purchase at Sally's Beauty Supply. You can also find these products like online, ebay.com or amazon.com. This is what I have in the first drawer. I also have the French tip, like the stickers to do your French manicures. In the second drawer is where I keep the box of extra nail polishes that I have. I also have a video on how to do a nail polish organizer, which not all my nail polish fit in that organizer. 100 nail polishes fit in that organizer, but I have a couple more than that, so I have to keep them in that little box. I also have these applicators. These are like for eyeshadow, but these work very well for the ombre nails as well. I have my cups here. These cups I use like to do my water marbling. And I like these cups because you don't use a lot of water, so they come in handy as well. I also have a video on how to do your marble or water marbling nails, which I'll leave in the link that you see there. I also use tape to do my water marbling nails. I'm kind of losing my voice there, but I also have these, what are they, like nail polish strips. I also have a video on how to apply those, and I like to purchase them sometimes when they're on sale. I sometimes buy them at Ulta. This is a nail filer, a buffer. I also have a video on how to do your nails using this little, what is it? I'll just move on because I can't think of the name of it right now. But I also have these Coned little stencils things where you can apply those designs onto your nails. It's very simple to use these stencils. What you do is you apply some nail polish onto the design, then you apply it to the stamper, and then you stamp it onto your nails, and you'll get some very nice designs onto your nails. And in this last drawer, what I have is all of my manicure products. And this set I purchased at Walmart. I like this Burt's Bees lotion a lot because it hydrates your hands. It's so hydrating. I also have like a cuticle cream and all these products. I also have a video on how to do a manicure at home, which I'll leave in the description box below, or you can click on the link on the video. I also have some beads that you'll be seeing right now that I purchased at Michael's, and I also have a video on how to do your nails using these beads. I know there's like other products that you can purchase, the beads that are more expensive like for your nails, but if you buy them at Michael's, they're way cheaper, and there's different colors. There's a variety of different ones. I also have like a nail buffer set that I didn't use much, but I keep it in the last drawer. And the previous video was my nail polish organizer and the nail polish collection. So if you'd like to see that video, click on the link that I'll leave in the description box below. Well, I hope you guys enjoyed watching this quick video of all of my nail accessories. I will see you guys next time. Bye!